Howdy folks, welcome to another episode of Douchebag Unboxing. I'm your host. What we have here is an iPhone 13 mini. I don't even think I've ever seen one in person. This is the phone that's still connected to a cellular network. I don't know if I'm gonna like the 13 mini. I don't know if it's gonna be big enough. I don't know what it's gonna be like, but I'm excited. I'm excited to maybe have a small phone, and I'm gonna try it out for a few weeks or at least a week, and maybe it becomes my daily driver. Here we go. Okay, I got it in midnight. The blue was a little light for my taste. Wow. Even the case is small. It's very thin. Of course, they're all getting thin now. Okay. I like how little this is. And here we go. Oh. Yep. That's pretty nice. Okay, here we go. Excited. Ooh. So the color is called Midnight, and it almost looks like a dark blue. I'm okay with that. Okay. It is small. It is light. Okay. Wow. It's pretty sweet. Okay. Okay. You can see the difference between this giant honking thing and this little guy. So, I mean, that's a massive difference. Wow. That is little. Maybe I'll go naked. By naked, I mean like no case, and back to those old days. And it's also got MagSafe, so I might get a MagSafe pop socket. I don't know. I want to try it out without the pop socket and then try it with, and I just got to see how it is, how it feels, and it's pretty sweet. It's pretty small. It's pretty wild. It'd be such a different experience having this in your pocket versus this. This with like no case versus this with a case. And so I don't know. I mean, if I like it, I might put it on a cell plan and go with it, but it's pretty crazy. I've never seen one in person. We'll just see if this works for my Duolingo and stuff like that. That's the primary thing I want to use it for. And just like maybe everything, like messaging, everything, music, just around the house, like something that's not so heavy. I don't know. That's what I want to try. And I guess I can let you know what I end up doing with this. I hope I like it. I want to like it. I don't want to take it back. I don't want to exchange it. I want it to work. I want it to solve my problem of my fingers hurting. I needed something smaller, so I hope this works. Thanks for watching.